When you run a small or mid-sized business, every minute counts. But the moment technology slows down, crashes, or gets hit with a cyber threat, productivity and revenue can stop instantly. That's where GEEK-AID Managed IT comes in. Instead of waiting for IT problems to happen, our technicians proactively monitor, secure, and support your systems 24/7. Your computers stay fast, and your team gets real help from real people when they need it. With predictable monthly pricing, scalable support, and a level of security most small businesses cannot build on their own, GEEK-AID Managed IT keeps your business running smoothly and your data safe and compliant. Your business moves fast, and you deserve a partner that makes sure your technology keeps up with your needs. Let GEEK-AID Managed IT give you the speed, affordability, and support you can count on every day. Contact GEEK-AID today and let us professionally manage your business IT before issues slow you down.